Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this is your girl video. We are going to make a milkshake. So here is my blender. I will start by putting in my ice cream. Then put the sugar. Because there's a little bit salty. Then here is our chopped banana. Ice cream. Got a little bit melted. This vanilla ice cream. Sugar milk. So this is our banana shake. To my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much. You keep moving. God bless you. If you come across my video, please like, share as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel. I remain your girl. It means the world. Thank you so much for everybody. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your likes. Ciao.